Today I am coming at you with another Crumbl cookie copycat recipe. We are doing the s'mores brownie today. It's chocolate brownie cookie on the bottom with a graham cracker cookie on top, topped with marshmallow cream. Let's get to it. What is up, you guys? It is Carly here, and you're officially cooking with Carly. And like I said in the intro, today we are making the s'mores brownie Crumbl copycat cookie. You guys definitely seem to enjoy the Crumbl cookie recipe videos, so why not continue doing them? I'll just do them forever and ever. So keep commenting below the flavors you want me to try to recreate, and I'll put them on my list. So today, s'mores brownie. The bottom of the cookie is a brownie, like chocolate-based cookie, and then there's on top of that a graham cracker cookie with chocolate chips in it, and then you top it with marshmallow cream. Now, 2 different cookie bases in one cookie seemed like a lot to me. I was like, that is a lot of work to go into one cookie, but let me tell you, I have made it so easy. We are going to make one cookie base, split it in half, add cocoa powder to one to make it the chocolate cookie, and add graham cracker crumbs to the other to make it the graham cracker cookie. But let's talk about our ingredients and we'll get making the cookies. We have butter here, any cookie that starts with 3 sticks of butter. You know it's gonna be good. These are giant cookies. We're going to make 12 of them. When we've got our granulated sugar, brown sugar, vanilla, eggs, all-purpose flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt. So that's going to be like our cookie base. And then we're going to add cocoa powder and a little extra flour to that chocolate base cookie. And then we've got our graham cracker crumbs here for the graham cracker cookie. Now I need to tell you that in the description below, there's a clickable link. So you can go to my website and print off this recipe. So when you go to make this, it's easy for you. You can just print it off, look at it. You don't have to come back to this video. So all of the ingredient amounts will be there on my website. You can click that description below. All right, we're going to get started by creaming our butter and sugars first. So our 3 sticks of butter are going to go into the stand mixer here. This butter is room temperature, or you can soften it in the microwave. And I always use salted butter because who wants to buy 2 different kinds of butter? Not this lady. Okay, granulated sugar going in, and then the brown sugar. We're going to cream this together until it's all nice, mixed, combined, and fluffy. Okay, the color is light and the texture is very like soft and I don't have a word. Fluffy. Fluffy is the word. Now that the butters and sugars are all combined, we're going to add in the vanilla and our 2 eggs. And again, we're just going to mix this until it's nice and combined. All right, that looks great. It's much more liquidy and loose than before because obviously we just added liquids. So now we're going to add in 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour base. So right now we're just going to add in this portion of the all-purpose flour. And then we have our baking soda, baking powder, and salt in here. Going to mix that until it's all combined and we have a cookie dough, our base cookie dough. Start slow so you don't make a big mess. All right, so at this point we have our base cookie dough, and it's pretty soft, but definitely not sticky. Like you can touch it and stuff and it won't stick to your fingers. But we are going to split this dough in half. We're going to split this dough in half and create our chocolate cookie with half of it, and then our graham cracker cookie with the other half. I'm just going to eyeball about half of it. And place it into this bowl just to get it out of the way for now. We're going to do the graham cracker cookie dough first. So what we'll do is stick this back in and add our graham cracker crumbs and mix until it's all combined. Okay, let me get out the chocolate chips. So now we just need to put the chocolate chips in, mix it together, then we can make the chocolate cookie base. I'm going to eyeball about like a half cup to a cup in here for the chocolate chips. Mix that together. And we will call that good. Gather up this dough and we're going to swap these two doughs out. Just swap these two doughs out and we'll make the chocolate over with this one. And because all of these doughs are going into the same cookie, I'm not going to worry about like cleaning this off. Doesn't really matter. So we've got our other cookie dough in here. The remaining flour is going in and the cocoa powder. It's going to go in. We'll mix it together and this will be our brownie cookie. While this is mixing together here, like the video, comment down below, let me know what your favorite Crumbl cookie recipe is, which one you want me to replicate next, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos, especially these copycat ones. They are really fun to make. We're making 12 cookies, so we need to separate the cookie dough into 12 pieces. We're going to take our cookie dough like this and just kind of flatten it into a circle and place it onto our cookie sheet, and then we'll top it with the graham cracker cookie. So just continue to do that and make 12 cookies. We're going to do the same thing, portion this cookie dough out. Also, press it into a ball and flatten it and place it on top and press down on that cookie, just like so. So these are going to bake in the oven at 350 degrees for like 12 to 15 minutes. You don't want to overbake them because you want these cookies to be nice and soft and chewy. So you just want to make sure that they don't look wet and undercooked on the top anymore. In the center of this dough, and then you should be good. And then you can pull them out, and then we will let them sit on the pan and cool for 10-15 minutes, and then we're going to top them with marshmallow cream. In the oven they go. I pulled the cookies out of the oven about 10 minutes ago. I'm gonna go grab them, bring them here, we'll take a peek at them. And we can put some marshmallow cream on top and then do the taste test. That's the best part of the whole video. Let me go grab the cookies. So here's what they look like right out of the oven. You can see that they've spread quite a bit. So let's put these on the Coolie. Why do I keep saying that? I keep saying Coolie cooking rack instead of cookie cooling rack. I'm going to put them on the cooling rack. So you want to keep them on the hot pan for about 10 or 15 minutes. They will continue to bake a little bit on the hot pan. So don't immediately put them onto the cooling rack. These smell so good. All right, marshmallow cream can be kind of finicky to work with if you've worked with it before. So I usually use a spoon and a knife. I usually use a spoon to pull it out of the container and then spread it with a knife. So each cookie is going to get a generous amount of marshmallow cream, and because the cookies are warm, the marshmallow cream will like start to melt and make it pretty easy to spread actually. Because marshmallow cream, oh, there's melty chocolate chips in that one. Salivating. I'm glad I already ate lunch. It'll make it easier to spread around. And then it will kind of melt too, which is fine. Marshmallow is still warm and melty like this. You're supposed to just put some graham cracker crumbs on top. So we'll do that, you know, garnish. Let's garnish our cookies. Okay. So I'm just going to repeat this marshmallow cream on top of these things, and then we will get to the taste test. I feel like I'm trying to start a fire, but with graham crackers. All right, you just saw how not that complicated it was to make 2 different cookie bases into this mega cookie. So if you are looking to make something a little bit extra, this is the recipe for you. So go ahead, give it a try, come back, let me know how you liked it, and we will see you back here next week for another one. Okay, which one should I eat? Are you ready? It's just a good chocolate cookie. Okay. I want chocolate chip in there. This has no chocolate chip. Yep. That's dang good. I don't care who you are.